Cause we'll put a boot in your ass. The American way.
I remember leaving my name at like 6 in the morning. Why? 2 months. Oh. Or not 2 months, like 2 years. Don't wake me up at 6 in the morning this time.
Good morning. I officially hit 200 subscribers. I'm a star.
Or yourself.
You wanna go woes? You wanna go woes?
Get her a leash.
You wanna go woes? She wants to go woes.
Does Gilby make one that has an exhaust fan too?
I can check. Done. Grocery haul. Huge haul. Breakfast. Pumpkin spice coffee.
Cross this bridge or that bridge, so we have to walk down a block. Do you feel like a city person?
No, I hate the city. Little retro gaming. Benny! Benny! Got a new wireless keyboard and mouse. Make dinner with me as a Really?
Yeah.
Cheaper than the alternative, which is this. An NVMe solid state drive. This shiny pile of shit my customers in love because this shiny pile of shit my customers in.
Oh yeah. Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Oh, my sister's coming. Hello everybody, welcome back to my vlog. I am about to have a party. We have a bunch of people over. Oh my goodness. My charcoot coot. People should be arriving pretty soon. I am going to prep. I'm gonna take a shot. I want to be a little tipsy before everyone gets here. I don't know why. Penny! Miss Penny! Miss Pee-Pee! Penny! Penny, ready to party?
That was quick.
That's great.
They all look good. 1 out of 10.
9.5. Was that wine?
That was Crown.
Oh. I like in your glasses.
At where I would be, where I would.
Ready? Yep.
Oh wow.
That means Jordan's at least 15 or higher. That's right.
Again.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, let's
All right.
Matthew!
I think you did it on purpose.
What happened, Matthew?
I don't know.
You're an all little tough luck, baby. Cause we'll put a boot in your ass. See you there and get wet. Uncle Sam put his name at the top of his list. The statue of liberty started shaking his fist. Eagle will fly, and there's gonna be hell when the whole wide world is raining down on you. I can't sing this. I'm surrounded by some kids that play. I can feel their laughter, thoughts that spin around my head. I'm spinning, oh, I'm spinning, how quick the sun can. Not really,